How to fix hotspot grayed out on iPhone. So here I'll detail with you how you can easily fix your personal hotspot grayed out on your iPhone. So if you have the personal hotspot added to the control center or the personal hotspot on your iPhone settings, and now you discover that the personal hotspot is grayed out like this, then this video is going to help you on how you can easily fix the personal hotspot and make it discoverable. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To fix personal hotspot grayed out iPhone, you first need to go ahead and disable Wi-Fi if Wi-Fi is turned on or you are connected to Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So go ahead, disable the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Fine, that's the first thing. Then the second approach now you need to take when you want to fix personal hotspot grayed out on your iPhone is go to the settings. On the settings page, locate mobile service while the personal hotspot is still grayed out, click on it, or mobile data, and turn on mobile data. Once turned on mobile data, you should see the personal hotspot is no longer grayed out. The same thing applicable to if you go through the control center, turn on mobile data. If you go to the personal hotspot, you'll see the personal hotspot not grayed out, and if you click on it, it's going to be discoverable. But if mobile data is disabled and you want to turn on personal hotspot, you'll not be able to use the personal hotspot on your iPhone. So that is basically how to fix personal hotspot grayed out on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.